Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Varsity School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 7, and our today's topic is Unit 5, Lesson 1 and Exercise C we will do today, and this is our lecture number 12 and SW number 10. Okay dear students, please follow the board at first. Look dear students, before starting to do this exercise, I am going to say something about this chapter. Our chapter's name is what? Great Women to Remember. Okay, look here, you will know about the information of our Bangomata. Dear students, what does Bangomata mean? At first you have to know. Bangomata means Mother Bengal or simply Bangla, a personification of Bengal or a symbol of Bangladesh. Okay, and why is this great woman in the picture called Bangomata? This great woman is called Bangomata for her motherly love and affection for the people and her sacrifice in the liberation era. Okay, look dear students, then what do you know about her? If you find this question, you have to write this like this way. She was the wife of father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and she was born in Tungipara, Gopalganj on 8th August 1930. She lived a very simple life and she was the first lady of Bangladesh, but she had no pride and did not want luxury. She loved the country and her people very much. Now we will do this exercise number C. Look dear students, after finishing to read the chapter, then you will get this exercise. Look here, answer the following questions. Number 1, what lesson did Bangomata teach her children? Okay, what lesson did Bangomata teach her children? Here I have written the answer. Look here, Bangomata taught her children how to lead a simple life. Bangomata taught her children how to lead a simple life. Then the question is what? How did she lead her life? Number 2, here you have to write, she led a very simple life. She had no demands of her own. Okay, then look number 3, how did she help the father of the nation? How did she help the father of the nation? Look here, its answer is Bangomata was a source of inspiration, strength and courage for father of the nation. She helped him to take right decisions in all critical times in different phases of the national story. She also helped him to shape the political thoughts. Okay, look dear students, now number 4, what lesson do you learn from Bangomata's life? Here you can write this question's answer like this way. Number 4, from Bangomata's life, we learned that we should love our country and her people selflessly. Also, we should dedicate our life for the welfare of the country. I am going to say this question's answer once again. What lesson do you learn from Bangomata's life? From Bangomata's life, we learned that we should love our country and our people selflessly. Also, we should dedicate our life for the welfare of the country. So here I have written all of these questions answer from number C. Look dear students, now you have to do this number D as your homework. Okay, look here, number D, read the text again and find Bangomata's ideals and contributions. Then fill in each gap with the information. Okay, look here, one is done for you, her great affection for the country. Then look dear students, here in the next gap you can write here her sacrifice in the liberation era. Okay, her sacrifice in the liberation era. Then you can write here living very simple life in this gap, living very simple life. Then here you can write never thinking of her own interest. Okay, then you can write here working for building a prosperous Sonar Bangla. Working for building a prosperous Sonar Bangla. You can write this in this gap. Okay, like this way you have to fill these gaps. Okay, so you have to do this number D as your homework and you have to submit on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to this topic. You have to read the chapter at first properly and keep practicing this. Okay dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.